Hello, brothers and sisters. This is Chuck. Chuck's off the Green World. Hey, we're gonna look at this lock right here. For some reason, it's not working properly, and so my plan is to take these 3 screws loose and fix it so it never works again. So we'll see what happens. We're gonna get my screwdriver out. Should have brought a tripod. I guess you're gonna have to be my tripod.
I'm gonna make it fast.
Fast? Why? Nico. Get the right size screw head thing here. Ah, it's too big.
It's a lovely breeze.
That's too big. It's probably a size I don't have.
Come here, Nico. Come
Stay
on.
here.
Come here, Nico.
Stay here, Nico.
You are not.
Try
Nico.
this one.
Your head's in the way.
It's too big. What? 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 Do I have a small one? There's a small one there. That one's too small. Gotta find one that's just right. That one right there. Wow. They make it difficult on motorhomes, and they have to always put some kind of special wrench in there, something you don't always have. I'll figure out how to make this thing work.
Nico.
Wow, it's tight. That one's coming loose. Can't break them loose. Huh. I'm not quite the right size here.
Get over here. Looky here. Here's Di of Di's Dominoes. Say hi, Di.
Hi!
Got anything to add, Di?
I'm not sure I want him to take it apart so we can't go back together again.
Can I have a response, Chuck?
Too bad. Committed now.
Did it come loose, Chuck?
I don't think so. It looks like someone had been in here before. No, can't take it loose. So let's tie it down and back up. Let's see if still somewhat works. It does. So we're going to do the ultimate fix here.
What's that, Chuck?
Ultimate fix?
Yes.
Dun 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 dun!
PJ Blaster.
Wow.
PJ Blaster won't fix it. Nothing will.
What do you think about that, Di?
You know, if they're watching my video, I could stand a little advertising money off of this.
You need more than a little, Chuck.
Yeah, I know. It's got a weird thing on it. You gotta open it up before it shoots. This is good stuff, though.
Oh!
Wow,
Except when you
Chuck.
blast it on your side.
How's it taste?
We have a dry. We have a rag.
Oh no, look at that. Oh my gosh.
It smells funny, Chuck.
Smells like penetrating oil, doesn't it? Maybe I
Chuck.
should blast some more before I start
It's all
wiping
over
it
the
up.
steps too.
Yeah, it is. It's all over everything.
Chuck, I'm standing back.
You know what? There's a plug right here.
Nico, stay.
You need to clean it anyway.
Nico.
Stuff doesn't come off very easy.
Oh, look at you are all twisted up. All twisted.
The fix, Chuck?
I don't know. We got the key to lock it inside or something. Nico.
Oh, here comes the ultimate test. The inside lock.
Put Diana in there and lock her in. Never to be seen
I
again.
think I like that idea.
Got any dominoes in there?
I think we need some more rags. Locked.
Let me out!
Unlocked. Locked. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Uh-oh. That
It
unlocked.
was me holding the door.
Oh. Okay. For jokes like that, it'll be $250 service charge.
Boy. Di sure has a weird sense of humor, doesn't she?
Boy, she does. She's been playing your dominoes some more. Okay, you need to shut the hell off, Mary. Thank you for watching. Job well done, I guess.